We have long recognised our responsibilities within the local community and greatly value the links we have built. Each year we donate up to £80,000 to a range of local community projects and organisations, from local cricket, bowls and football teams to arts projects and educational facilities.
We are very grateful for all the sponsorship that Longcliffe have given us over the last 5-6 years. The money that they give us goes towards lots of different things in the club. It goes towards machinery, towards the youth teams, towards equipment, all the resources that you need in a cricket club.
The company often hosts visits by local primary and secondary schools, as well as students from nearby universities. As a family business, it's important for Longcliffe to invest in the local community where so many of our workforce live. We consciously select local contractors and suppliers wherever possible. We're also keen to highlight career opportunities in the quarrying industry and inspire the next generation to work in it. Longcliffe is a major sponsor of the National Stone Centre in Wirksworth, launching the Longcliffe Learning Zone, which hosts regular school visits.